In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a credit memo to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Let's start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, we'll head straight to the area where credit memos live. On the left navigation, go to Sales, then open Credit Memos. This is where you'll see a list of credits you've issued to customers, usually for returns, price adjustments, or fixes to earlier billing. It's helpful to know which customer and memo number you're looking for so you can spot it quickly. Next, open the specific credit memo you want to apply. Take a moment to confirm the details on the screen, especially the customer name, the credit memo date, and the total credit amount. You want to be sure you're applying the right credit to the right customer so your records stay clean and accurate. Now click Apply to Invoice. This tells QuickBooks that you want to use this credit to reduce what a customer owes. A window will show you the open invoices for that customer. If the customer has more than one unpaid invoice, you can choose which one to apply the credit to, and in many cases, you can even split the credit across multiple invoices. That's particularly useful if the credit amount doesn't match a single invoice. Select the invoice or invoices you want to apply the credit memo to. Review the amounts carefully. If the credit is larger than the invoice, QuickBooks will apply what it can and keep the remaining balance of the credit available for later. If the credit is smaller, it will reduce the balance due and leave the rest of the invoice unpaid. When everything looks right, confirm the amount and save your changes. This is the point where your books get updated, so it's worth double checking the numbers and the selected invoices before you finalize. Finally, verify that the invoice balance reflects the applied credit. You should see the invoice's balance due reduced by the amount of the credit, and depending on the totals, the invoice status may show as paid or partial. This confirmation step ensures your accounts receivable is accurate and that your customer's statement reflects the adjustment. That's all there is to it. Log in, navigate to Sales and Credit Memos, open the memo, apply it to the right invoice, save and verify the updated balance. Follow these steps each time and you'll keep your customer balances precise and your workflow smooth.